Yeah.
All right, she's getting this canvas stretched. Hold on, let me do a big pick.
That's fine. It's going to take a little bit of time because of the fact that I got to get it taut.
So right now, Kyoko is stretching canvas for a movie in regards to art. She's going to be one of the main artists for the character Dulce, who is an artist. And this is the real Dulce, Kyoko. Look up.
Isn't Dulce mean milk?
Well, that's her name.
Or leche
so.
means milk. What's Dulce mean?
Dolce? No, Dolce.
Dulce.
Dulce, I think, is like Dolce. No, that's Dolce.
Dolce?
Oh, goodbye. I'm done.
No,
I can't do
keep
this.
on.
I'm
Anyway,
fired.
So basically,
Explain what you're doing in the process.
What's going on in the other room is so they're building the frames for the canvases, and I'm stretching them, and then we're gonna gesso them.
So how do you stretch the canvas? What is it that you're doing to?
You stretch it. So basically, you wrap it around the frame that you have,
Okay.
but you have to make it tight enough to where, because first of all, wood warps after different weather conditions and aging and like stuff like that. So you have to make it very tight so you can actually make it a surface that you can paint on. You know what I
Now,
mean?
if it's a little loose, is this done
No, it's
for
not
the
done.
next
I'm not even
process?
done yet. I'm not even
okay,
done yet.
got
The
it.
corners are the hardest.
So you make it as tight as possible, and you
Right.
wait. So you start in the middle.
I
So
go
let's show-
edge, but I go start with one side, then I go to the next side, and then I go opposite sides.
So do you start in the middle, or do you start on the sides?
I start on the middle, at the middle all the time.
On the middle, and then you go to the corresponding
And
side.
then, yeah,
Got it.
corresponding middle.
Okay.
And a lot of people use pliers for this shit, but I don't like to because I like blisters on my fingers.
She likes pain.
No,
But what is your
John
technique?
Lennon said that. My technique is just what I told you.
Okay.
Basically, opposite side, opposite side, opposite side.
But you said you don't use pliers. Why?
No, because I first of all, pliers. I think it's an unnecessary tool that they just want you to spend money on. That you don't need to spend money on. Like you could just use regular pliers too. But over time, you just get the hang of using a grip. You know what I mean? Like
Okay.
getting more of a grip and understanding the canvas and how it works too.
Got it.
Also, like if sometimes I've stretched canvases before where I'll stretch it and I think I'm like, yeah, this is tight, and then like after I gesso it and everything, it becomes.
So I'm doing a
loose.
zoom in on your hands to show everyone.
So the thing is, you just want to make sure that it has no, there's no wrinkles, there's no, and it's clean looking. So, and you want to make sure, like, not like this. Don't do this. Don't have things stick out like that. That's a no. This is a don't, but this is a do. I'll show you right now.
Okay.
I like it extremely clean. This is therapeutic for me though, because there's a start and a finish to it, unlike painting. So that one's fine. See, right down.
Okay.
So when you get to the corners, for example, let me show you. Let me just do the other side first because I want to make it all even.
Okay.
Ask me more questions. I love answering these questions. I'm an extrovert today. Just kidding.
So we're
It's the
gonna
iPhone.
zoom in on this. Okay.
See, close down. Perfect. I'm gonna get almost to every corner. Just pull it as tight as I can. See, I didn't put. I like to do a few more. And just make it and pull it a little bit tighter. I'll make this a little neater in a second. Don't you worry. See, that's not what you don't want to do. 'Cause that's a volume hammer to do it. There you go. Don't do that either. That was a Kyoko hack. All right, so then we get this side. Let me pull this super tight. This is actually working out pretty good, you guys.
What's that?
This is turning out pretty okay.
Good. Good.
Is that what?
There you go. Problem and solution.
Oh, I think I need more staples.
Okay.
Pause that and we'll get back to in a